Hi, I'm John Abbott. Social Security loves numbers, and in particular it loves numbers about how much you can lift, how long you can stand. I'm going to tell you how to tell them. Do you know what 5 pounds looks like? Do you know what 10 pounds look like? You will. 10 pounds is exactly to the ounce the weight of one of those 12 packs of soda or beer that comes in a carton. So go to your grocery store and try lifting that. And think about lifting that every 2 or 3 minutes all day long. That's 10 pounds. Maybe you can only lift 5 pounds. That's exactly the weight of a 6-pack of soda. Think about lifting that all day long. Gallon of milk, 8.4 pounds. So next time you go into your doctor and you say, "Doctor, I can't lift much," and that attorney told me 10 pounds weighs exactly a 12-pack. You can tell him you can lift that or you can't. Then you'll be able to tell Social Security. Hope that helps.